Hello there everyone, welcome back to my channel. Valentine's Day is coming up and I know that you guys, some of you have your dates, some might not, but you still feel like you want to dress up, do your face, do your makeup and treat yourself to a nice dinner in or a nice dinner out for yourself. Whether that may be with your partner or by yourself. I'm going to be making a quick makeup video. This is not a tutorial, but this is something that I will be doing. And this is just for me to share that with you guys. If you want to copy or look at the same process and see what I'm doing and see how this turns out. So guys, I already had makeup on this morning, so I still do have some mascara on, but I want to leave that on. I have taken off the foundation, so my face is fresh and it's clean. And I'm going to firstly go ahead by using my moisturizer that I use. This is a Sanctuary Spa Vitamin C Wet Skin Gel Moisturizer. And I feel like this moisturizer is really good. It does brighten up my skin. It makes my skin look more fresh. And it's not heavy on my skin either. It doesn't make my skin oily because I'm prone to oil on my skin. I have quite oily skin, so this is really good to control that oil. So guys, I've just allowed it to dry a couple of seconds, and just to let you know, this is a heavy makeup look. So if you're not the type of person that likes heavy makeup, lashes and all that stuff, this video won't be for you. But for those who do like it, please stay tuned, watch this video till the end. This is not something I do on an everyday basis, as I've said in some of my previous videos, but I just want to do this. This is a special occasion, Valentine's Day. You want to look extra sexy, you want to look extra on everything. So guys, this is for you. So as usual, my people, I'm gonna go ahead and use the Fenty Beauty primer. So I'm going to allow the primer to sit just for a couple of seconds, just so it can soak into my skin. So now I'm going to go with my foundation. I'm literally running out of foundation, guys. I tell you what, like, this foundation finishes pretty quick. And to say that I don't use makeup every day, it finishes really, really quick. I don't know if it's because there's hardly any in the bottle or it's just me using too much each time. But I'm literally struggling to get any foundation out right now. But my skin is looking pretty well, so I don't need a full face. I don't need a full coverage at the moment. So now guys, I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows. Now, I don't like that black eyebrows that look like you've just put a black tape across your face. I like natural looks, natural things like brown, maybe even a lighter brown. I feel like it looks better. Even though my hair is black, I feel like a brown eyebrow is so much more natural. So now I'm going to go in with my concealer. So guys, I bought this eyeshadow palette brand new. It's called the OSD Bangkok. Forgive me if I'm saying it wrong, but it's by a company called Essence. Now I really like the shades in this eyeshadow palette. Again, some natural looks, some natural shades. Today I'm going to be using a mixture of this color and that color and that color. So like I said in my previous video, guys, I am not a makeup artist. So this is just me at my best. So I'm going to go ahead with the pinkish color shade now. It's sort of like a peach color actually. So I've cleaned my brush, guys, and now I'm going to go ahead with a darker brown. I'm just going to put it on the edge here. Okay, so I really want this brown to be a little bit darker, so I'm going to use a different eyeshadow palette. And I'm going to go with a real darker brown, and this is the Morphe palette. So I just want it around this section here. So this is how it looks so far, guys, and I've just decided I'm gonna go ahead with a little bit of sparkly gold just to kind of blend it off a little bit just around this section. I'm probably the worst at blending in, you know, blending, or it could be maybe the tools that I'm using. But so far so good. I'm just putting a little bit of gold on the inside here. Of course it will look better when I put my lashes on, get my eyes popping a lot more. So I'm just gonna put some concealer under my eye. I'm just going to let that sit for a few minutes. These are the lashes I'm going to be wearing. I know, heavy. Okay guys, so off camera I went ahead and put on my lashes, and I honestly feel like I'm about to fly, people. These lashes are whoo! But I tell you what, they do make a difference to your eyes. They make your eyes pop a lot more, and so I'm gonna get used to these ones. I'm usually wearing the ones that are quite short and thick. I'm not usually used to the long ones, but I wanted to try something a little bit different. So yeah, this is how it is, and I hope you guys like it. Tell me what you think in the comment box below. If you think that they suit me, let me know what you think, guys. So I'm just gonna blend in the color corrector setting powder now. I did get that mark from pressing into my skin. I'm trying to put the lashes on, so I'm just going to try and get concealer back on that. So now I'm going to use the Badgal Bang mascara just for my bottom lashes. I don't want to use any eyeliner, as I think it's a little bit too much, but the mascara does the job for me quite well. So now I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty bronzer, and I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty bronzer brush just to blend it in. So I usually go ahead and put it in on my cheeks, just here. Gonna use a little shimmer shine Fenty Beauty blush just for that shine at the top. Now, I'm not usually contouring, but today I feel like contouring, so I'm going to go in with a little bit just here in the crease. So I was actually debating what lipstick to put on. Purple, red, brown, whatever. But I'm gonna go with red. Not because of the obvious reason, because it's Valentine's Day, but I feel like red is such a sexy color, and yeah, it just gives you that extra sexy look. So I'm gonna go with my Fenty Beauty uncensored, I think it's what it's called. And this is the red, and I love this red because it just pops. It makes my lips pop, and I have quite big lips, but I'm actually proud to wear this color. This is the only bright color that I would actually wear. Any other bright colors, no, but this is the only bright color that I would wear on my lips. So let's go in with the red. I'm gonna begin by putting a bit of lip liner shape. Okay, let's go in. I can never get the shape of my lip at the top right. I think that's about okay, guys, so that just about sums it up for my makeup look. If you guys have tried out this makeup look, go ahead and let me know, and if I've helped in any way, go ahead and let me know also. So yeah, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and guys, just to finish off, make sure you use a little setting spray or any setting spray just to allow the makeup to last that much longer. I don't have any at the moment, but if you do have at home, go ahead and use your setting spray. My name is Trish, and I'll be bringing more content like this to you guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. It just supports my channel, and I see you new subscribers there subscribing to my channel. I thank you so much for your support, and I hope that you can share this video to anyone that it may benefit. So once again, I'm gonna say this, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye for now.